Kunomuntu obuzile owathi, ngane Makhehla, ukhuleka kanjani, uqala kuphi so that your prayers can be heard. Imfihlakalo yokukhuleka inhliziyo bakwethu. Ngisakuphinda namhlanje. Imfihlakalo yomkhuleko inhliziyo yakho. And behind that heart, there must be a pure intention. And you must speak from the bottom of your heart. Intention is everything. Believing and have faith. So, uke wabona umuntu makayitshelile ukuthi ngizoyenza lento. Mawuzitshelile ukuthi ngiyayenza lento, bese uyayenza, bese iyenzeke. Nomkhuleko ufuna that type of an attitude. If uzothi ngiyokhuluma noMvelinqangi and ngifuna ukuthi angenzele kanje and ngiyakholwa ukuthi uzongenzela, that's when you start seeing miracles. Inhliziyo kuzomela ukuthi ivuleke. Inhliziyo kuzomela ukuthi uyivule, uyithole uguqile, ukhuleka, ujula, ungena emkhulekweni. And phakathi emkhulekweni uzibona nawe ukuthi hayi manje ingelosi is taking over, iyakuthatha ikusale bese iyakubuyisa. Vula inhliziyo, uqale ngokubonga, uyibize inkosi uthi uNkulunkulu Baba, ngiyabonga, ngiyakuthanda ngoba uyakuthanda yena, uyakuthanda unconditionally. So ngiyakuthanda, ngiyacela Nkosi ngambulele, ngiyacela Nkosi ngibonisa indlela okuyiyona yona kumele ukuthi ngiyiphile, bese iyacala yakubonisa ngoba you will feel that God is not responding to your prayers. But the mistake that you do is that you are just singing there. You are just saying it for the sake of saying it. But where's your heart? Usebenza ngenhliziyo. Vula inhliziyo, ukhuleke ngokukholwa, ukhuleke kweqiniso. Uwabone lamandla nathi siwabonayo. Amen.